Good morning children. Hope you are all are doing good. Okay. So last class we have studied about teeth and tongue. So just I am going to give a small recap and I will start the lesson. The first one we have studied about teeth. It is made up of the bony structure. It will be helpful to chew the food. Also it will give the proper shape our face. Okay, and we have two sets of teeth. That is, first one is called as a temporary teeth. So it is having a 20 teeth. It is also called as a milk teeth. And second one, it is a permanent teeth. Okay, so the total count of permanent teeth, it is a 32 for the adults. Okay, so and next one we are going to see about the structure of the teeth. The structure of the teeth. So this is a image of the structure of the teeth. The structure of the teeth, there is a three basic part: the crown, neck and the root. And the layers of the teeth, again we have three part, that is called as the crown, the root, the neck. And the next one we have studied about layer of the teeth. The layers also, there is a three types of layer: enamel, dentine and pulp. And next one we have seen the kinds of teeth. The first one is a incisor, second one is a canines, third one is a premolar, fourth one is a molars. Okay, and next topic we are going to see tooth decay. Okay, so before that I want to give how the teeth it is present in a lower jaw. The same way it will be present in a upper jaw. So here the yellow color part, the front four teeth, it is called as a incisor. Next to the incisor, which are the teeth I have mentioned in a blue color, that is called as a canine. And next to that you can able to see the color with the orange teeth, it is a premolar. And the next again three blue color teeth, it is called as a molar. Like same wise it will be present in a upper jaw. So this is a basic structure of the teeth that is present in a lower jaw. And next we are going to study about the tooth decay. Okay, the decay it will occur most often for chewing surface of the back teeth. Always will be having a decay in a molar and premolar teeth. Okay, why it is happening tooth decay? Because some bacteria it will come and accumulate on the teeth. Okay, if you're not brushing your teeth properly, so what it will do, it will damage the enamel and it will make the holes. Okay, it will make holes inside the teeth. Also whenever the tooth decay it will be there, we'll be getting some foul smell. We'll be getting somewhat smell in our mouth. Okay, so the bacteria also it will make the stomach pain and indigestion problem. Everything it will happen because of the tooth decay. When we eat the food, okay, the small pieces of the food, something it will get stuck in between the teeth. Right, whenever we are having the food, okay, some small piece of the food it will get stuck in between our teeth. Okay, so our mouth is full of bacteria. You can able to see in our mouth, our body, so everything it is filled with the bacteria. This bacteria it won't do any harmful, but if you are not taking proper care of your teeth, okay, so also it will destroy the teeth. This small pieces of food combines with the saliva, okay, and bacteria to form sticky coating. Whenever if you are not brushing your teeth, now you can able to see your teeth will look like a yellow in color. Okay, so this means the food it is mixed with the bacteria. Also it will make a coating layer on your teeth. Okay, so what it will do, it will start slowly, it will erupt the enamel so that it is present outside of our teeth, right? Because of that only our teeth is looking like a very shiny. Okay, if it will rupture that, so what will happen? So tooth decay it will happen. It will started like a little black color we can able to see on the top of the teeth. So that means, so this bacteria what it will do, no, it will release the acids on our teeth. Okay, it will release the acids on our teeth. So also this acids, no, it will enter inside our enamel and it will break the teeth and it will form a hole inside the teeth. Whenever you will chew the food, no, you will feel lot of pain because of bacteria it started growing inside your teeth. Also it will make a small opening on your teeth. Okay, even that is the reason we will be telling. So after having your food, just you have to rinse your mouth and you have to split it off. Okay, if you're not taking proper care, obviously the cavities, it will be happening, some bad smell it will come because of the bacteria. You will be getting a stomach pain and some digestion problem, so many things will happen. So this is the structure of, see, when we are having a food like a chocolates or a junk food, whatever it is, normal food also, so what it will do, it will present inside the teeth, that is a bacteria. Okay, so once it will come and sit on the teeth, right, what it will do, it will produce the acid. Okay, the acids, it will rupture the enamel, it will rupture the enamel. Also you can able to see the tooth decay, it will happen. So like this it will happen, children. The first starting, the normal plaque, like it will be started. Okay, then the acids, it will start forming the acid. Slowly you can able to see there is a small hole in our teeth. Okay, whenever you will be having a decayed tooth, right, it will be like a black in color wherever the infection is happened. So it will be in a black in color. First stage you won't get pain. After the final stage, it is like a very painful. See, when the cavities enter to the pulp region, because it is very soft and it is having a blood vessels and nerves, right, you will be started feeling more pain. Okay, so this is the basic outthrow of the tooth decay. And next one, we are going to see how we are going to take care of our teeth. Okay, so we are going to take care of your teeth. Okay, our teeth have, the teeth is very useful for us. Okay, so once that we have lost the teeth, or it is broken, or it got cavity, means it will be fall down, right? So after that we won't getting a teeth. Okay, so that is the reason we have to give a proper care of the teeth. Okay, so I am going to say the few steps, which are the steps we have to follow to avoid from a tooth decay. Brush your teeth twice a day, that is morning and before going to a bed. Okay, whenever you will brush your teeth, you have to do ups and down. Okay, whenever you are doing a brush, you have to do ups and down. Make sure that brush should go and reach each and every corner of the teeth. Okay, also we should clean the tongue, because when you used to clean your tongue, a lot of germs it will be present on your tongue. Okay, it will helpful to remove the germs it is present on the tongue. Okay, also if you are not cleaning your tongue, means it will give some bad smell. Also sometimes we have to massage your gums regularly. The pink yellowish part, it is covered with, you can able to see the, because of the gums only it can able to hold the teeth in the jaw, right? So you have to use your finger. Okay, you have to use your finger and you have to do little massage for the gums. If you are massaging your gums, means your teeth it will be very healthy. Okay, to have a healthy teeth, okay, so we have to take rich in calcium. So already I have mentioned the calcium, it is present in the fruits and the milk. Okay, so we have to consume lot of milk to take care of our teeth. Okay, also this calcium, it is very beneficial for gums. For gums also it will be very helpful. Next one, flushing is important as brushing your teeth. You have to flush your mouth, children. Okay, whenever you are having the food, or whenever you are having a junk food or snacks, whatever it is, every time you have to flush your mouth. It is as much equal to brushing your teeth. Okay, the flushes get rid the food, whatever the food it will get stuck over, right? When you will do your flush, okay, all the foods it will be coming out. Okay, so then you can split it off. After that you have to rinse your mouth thoroughly. After your meals you have to rinse your mouth thoroughly. Also if you get any toothache or gums problem or any swelling, if it is anything like that, so you have to visit your dentist. Okay, who's the dentist? The dentist is who's they will be giving a proper treatment for your teeth. Okay, you have to visit them on a regular basis. Whenever you will be having a pain or you will be getting some swelling or decay, whenever it will be happening, you have to visit a doctor. You have to visit the doctor. And next one, we are going to study about tongue. Okay, the tongue is one of the sense organ, right? So it will be helpful to taste the food. Okay, your mother will prepare all yummy food, right? So when you will taste the food only, you can able to say it is a salt or sour or it is a salty, whatever it is. Okay, in our body, the tongue is one of the large muscular organ is nothing but it is made up of soft muscle, right? So it is called as a muscular organ. So it is a very large muscular organ in our mouth. Okay, and it is very sensitive to the taste. So whenever you will be tasting the food, right, immediately you can able to find out whether the spicy is less or the salt is less. We can able to identify. Also it will perform other functions also. Okay, so we are going to see a structure of the teeth, how this is the teeth. So here you can able to identify the front of the teeth. Okay, it will helpful to identify the food is sweet. Okay, in next to the sweet part, in the sides you can able to see there is a blue color part, so that it will helpful to identify that food is whether salty. Okay, and next to that you can able to find out that is a green color part, so this it will be helpful to identify whether that food is sour or not. Okay, and the bitter part we can able to find out at the rear of the tongue. Rear is nothing but at the bottom of the place. Okay, at the bottom of the tongue we can able to identify whether that food is bitter or not. Okay, so this is the structure of the teeth. The tongue is covered by number of taste buds. Will be having a n number of taste buds. Okay, so our tongue can detect 4 basic taste. Okay, we'll be having obviously 4 basic taste, that is a sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Also, this tongue is helpful to swallow the food. Okay, not only for the tasting purpose, this tongue also it will be helpful to swallow the food. And next one we are going to see functions of a tongue. Okay, functions of the tongue. It will helpful to recognize the different taste of the food we eat. Yes, right, we'll be having a salty, sweet, sour, bitter, which are the taste food we are taking, no? So it will helpful to recognize the taste of the food. Okay, also it helps the deliver the fluent and the proper speech. Okay, the tongue twisting and all, have you people heard? Okay, so this tongue and the teeth both it will be helpful to speak the fluent in a proper speech. Okay, this helps in rolling food around the mouth with the help of, whenever you will be having a food, just you can observe the tongue, it will play very important role. Okay, just it will rolling the food inside our mouth. Okay, with the help of the rolling only we can able to chew the food. Okay, also it will helpful to swallow the food. After chewing the food we have to swallow, right? Then only it will go and reach to our stomach. So it will helpful to swallow the food. Okay, also it will helpful to clean our teeth. Okay, it will get because the saliva it is secreting right up below the tongue. So this saliva and the tongue it will be helpful to clean our teeth. If any small particle it is get stuck in between our teeth, means with the help of tongue we can able to remove it. Also the few animals, okay, this tongue they will be using for a cleaning purpose. For example, this dog and cat and all, you can see with the help of tongue, so it will clean their fur. Okay, that small hairs and it will be present on the body, right? With the help of tongue it will make a clean. Okay, also a tongue like our eyes and ears, because it is one of the sense organ. Okay, so it can able to find out that it, for example, you can able to observe when you will be having some kind of taste food. Okay, the taste it will get memory. Again, if you are having the same type of food, you can able to recognize those, though this food I have had long back. Okay, like that it can able to store the memory also. Okay, this, however, the sense of the sight and hearing become less with age. Okay, but the taste, it never goes. Even the sometimes the some old people, they can't able to recognize the taste. Okay, but they may lose the sense, and they may lose the sight and hearing. For old age people, you can able to see the eyes vision, it won't be in a proper, even they can't able to hear proper, but they can able to identify the food with the smell. Okay, they can able to identify the food with the smell. Okay, so whenever they will be having a cold or a normal or fever like that, so some that time what will happen, this taste buds, it will get blocked. Okay, so that time they can't able to feel the taste of the food. So that time they can't able to feel the taste of the food. So now I am going to give a small recap whatever I have took today. The first one, we have studied about tooth decay, so how it will happen. And next I have shown the images, so how the tooth decay, it will start happening when you are having the food. The bacteria, it will be present inside the in between the teeth. Also it will release some acids, so because of that we will be getting a tooth decay. Also I have mentioned, so when it will go and reach to the pulp region, the blood vessels and all will be there, no, so that time you will feel very painful. Okay, then I have mentioned how we have to take care of our teeth, and I have given introduction about tongue and the structure of the tongue, and taste bud, where and all it will be present. There is a 4 types of basic taste, that is sweet, salt, sour and bitter. Okay, and the functions of the teeth. Okay, so now we'll move on for a textbook exercise. Okay children, now everyone take out your Sem 1 textbook, page number 190. Okay, the first main you can able to see, that is match the following. So here you can able to see in a column, incisor, cavity, molar, gums, sweet, bacteria, bitter, enamel, premolar, pulp and so there is total 11 numbers are there. Same wise you can able to see in the B column, grinding teeth, hold the teeth in place, in the middle, hole in the teeth, at the rear, outer covering of teeth, cutting teeth, found inside tooth, along the sides, eats away enamel, cracking teeth. Now we have to match it. So already I have mentioned the numbers because it is more, right, the match the following. So that is the reason you won't get confused. I am going to explain one by one. First one, incisor. So incisor, it will be cutting teeth. It is present front teeth, right? So it will be helpful to cut the food. And next one is a cavity. What is mean by cavity? It is hole in tooth. Okay. And the third one is a molar. Molar, it is also called as a grinding teeth. And the gums, hold the teeth in place. Next one is a sweet. So sweet, the taste bud, it is present in the middle of the tongue. So here actually it is in the front of tongue, but they have mentioned here middle of the tongue. And next one is a bacteria. So bacteria, it heats away enamel. Okay. And next one is a bitter. Bitter, it is present at the rear. Rear means at the end of the bottom of the tongue. Okay, at the end of the tongue. And next one is a enamel. So the enamel, it is outer covering of a teeth. And ninth one is a premolar. So premolar, it is also called as a cracking teeth. And next one is the pulp. Pulp, it is found inside the tooth. And next 11th one is the sour. The sour taste, but where it is present, children? It is present along the sides. And next we'll move on for a next main, that is a B main, fill in the blanks. A tooth has a 3 main parts. They are, what are the 3 parts? The crown, the neck and the root. These are the 3 parts, right? So you have to write it in the 3 column. First one you have to write it as a crown, second one is a neck, and third you have to mention the root. And the second question, the region of the tongue associated with recognizing salty taste is, where you can able to recognize this salty taste food? Here you can see in the sides. at the sides. Answer is at the sides. Rohan is a month-old baby. The number of teeth which you expect to see inside the mouth is, how many teeth it will be for the children? There is only here, because a month-old baby, right? So they won't be having any teeth. So you can't able to find any teeth, right? You can mention 0. Because a month-old baby, can you able to find any teeth? No, we can't able to find any teeth. After 6 months only the teeth it will start growing. Okay. The Raju is a 25 years old adult. The number of teeth that you would expect to see inside his mouth, because adult will be having a permanent teeth. The teeth count is 32. Okay. And next, fifth one, so that is the region of the tongue associated with recognizing the bitter taste. Where we can able to recognize the bitter taste? At the rear of the tongue. So the answer is at the rear. Okay. Copy down neatly, children. Use pencil. Don't write it in a pen. Okay. Also, how much I have covered, you have to go through the textbook once, and if you have any doubt, we'll meet in an interactive session. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.